Want to see what these things do in a minute or less? Watch this. Alright guys, there you have it, the boat cap kit from Ciro3D. Great addition to the bike, adds that finishing touch to the all blacked out look. They also have them in chrome. Pretty simple install. There are going to be some spots where it's going to be difficult to get to, but just make sure you're taking your time so you're not scratching up those caps. Also, depending on what exhaust you have, you might not be able to put a couple of them on, but you don't want those caps touching your exhaust because they will melt. Other than that guys, great look to the bike. I definitely recommend them. Check out Ciro3D. I'll see you on the next one.